Yes. I don't have any idea what this. Yeah, that's a small zander. I wasn't really sure if this is a small zander or a small catfish. Come on, buddy, just chill. You'll be free in 5 seconds. I won't. Come on. Thank you. Oh, come on. This guy feels bigger, but instead, no. It's more or less the same size. You have to chill, buddy, so I can release you as fast as I can. Thank you. Oh. No, it almost looks like the same fish. I was really hoping for something a little bit bigger because this guy hit the lure better than the previous two, but no, again a small guy. Thank you. Oh, no. Oh yes, that doesn't feel like a big one, but that was a nice hit. Yeah, that's a small guy. I'll just release him immediately. I will just need my pliers because these small guys are the ones that goes really crazy when you try to release them. Thanks, buddy. Oh yes, this guy feels bigger, just a little bit bigger, but definitely it's the current that it's helping him a lot. I think that I'll just use my net to be sure that. Here we go. Okay, I just need my pliers that again are quite far from me. And I will just release this guy as fast as I can. Here we go. Thank you, buddy. Oh, this was nice. I saw again this guy hunting there cast right in that spot and he took it immediately. Again, it's quite a small guy, but they are just hitting the lures like crazy in this time of year. Go, buddy. After having a really good start of the session, early morning, right now I think that it's been already an hour that I'm fishing without getting a single bite. So the best thing that I can do is to change the spot, and perhaps there's a big chance of coming back here a little bit later. Let's say that I have 2 spots in my mind that I would like to reach, and after that I will get back here. But let's say that in the meantime, really hope for some asp in both of those spots. So let's give it a try. There's a big chance that the water level is too low for this spot, but right now I'm here, so I will just give it a try anyhow. If that boat is still here, yeah, that's right in the middle of the spot. Anyhow, considering that I'm here, considering that I already have this lure on, I will just try to make a few casts and hopefully there will be some. Yes, okay, that was nice. And I'm not sure, I think that this will be, yeah, that's a catfish. That was a good way to get into a new spot. I just want my net just to be sure that there won't be any surprises. Here we go. I just took plenty of mud in the net too. I will just release this guy without any picture or anything. There's so much mud here. You have to chill. Come on. Yeah, this is very well hooked. And here it comes. Such a small guy. Thanks, buddy. Go. So, even though my expectations were quite low from this spot, at least one fish is here. To be honest, right now I'm not really expecting anything else, but anyhow I will just fish for another 5-10 minutes. I really don't like the way this spot looks like, and let's just say that my 10 minutes are off. I even tried a bunch of different lures without getting any single bite. Nothing. After that catfish, really zero. So right now I will try to reach the 3rd spot. I haven't been there perhaps in a year, so I'm not very sure if I can reach it, but I will just do my best to go there. That spot should be really good right now, so hopefully there will be some asp there. Hopefully. Otherwise I will just go back in the first spot. Okay, this should be the spot. As I said, I haven't been here in a while, so I'm not very sure how to go down there. There is no path or anything, so I will just do my best to find a way, considering that I'm in sandals. Okay, let's try to go straight down. There are some really big spiders here. Hope to find my way back. So I think that I will just try to make some sort of a path. Okay. All this area was completely flooded for months. So I think that it will be a little bit easier for me to reach my fishing spot. Perhaps just some mud. The spot, it's looking quite good. I will just try to make a cast from here without getting too close to what I consider to be... No, my lure just got tangled. I will just try to get a little bit closer. Okay, this should work. Now let's hope. Nothing. Oh, that was a strike. I was really expecting an asp. Oh, a small guy, but a very small guy. But that's an asp. Come on, buddy. Okay, in this case I definitely need the pliers because he's hooked quite bad. Okay, so I will just try to... Here we go. Come on. It was almost done. Perfect. Go, buddy. Go, go, go. When I got here and saw how good this spot is looking, I was 100% sure that I will catch more than an asp. Instead, nothing. I've been fishing already for a little bit more than an hour and haven't got a single bite after that small asp. So right now I will just get back in the first spot and I will end the session there. I think that I have about 2 more hours left for fishing, so I really hope for some asp in the first spot. Oh, what a nice strike was this. Whew. I think that this guy over here is the bigger one for today, and the heat was just crazy. Whoa. That's a nice fish. I won't make any picture, but definitely this one is the bigger one for today. Now buddy, time to go back in. Thanks a lot. This was a pretty good session, especially considering the conditions that I'm dealing with. Right now it's getting extremely hot. It's almost impossible to continue fishing, so I will just end here this session. Hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.